Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Sincerely KSO. So I just got off watching a skit by Sebastian Maniscalco, and I just couldn't stop laughing. It was like I've been laughing for the past since I watched that skit. What was it called? I called The Medical Mask in 2014. Since I've been watching it, I've been laughing for I think 15 minutes. If you take a look at my eyes, they're a bit red because I just had to take a cup of water and force myself to get that joke out of my head. You have to watch it because I'm going to leave the link at the end of this video. I don't want to think about what he said because I'll just burst out laughing again hysterically. He is fantastic. When I tell you that accent of his, beautiful, makes the joke even more relatable, more passionate, more, it adds a realness, Oh my God, I'm in awe of his gift, his talent. I don't know what took me so long to discover him. We've got another one by Sebastian. Please get out of my refrigerator. I'm trying not to laugh right now till the comedy skit starts. Give me a moment. Let me get some water into my... Okay. All right. Oh, this is so funny.
Finally found someone who could deal with me. I got married last year and I'm happier than shit, I gotta
tell you. That's beautiful.
My wife is an angel, okay? A complete angel. The total opposite of me, okay?
Oh,
loves people.
Her? Loves people.
Loves people. She's from the South. She's always smiling. She's like a dog. She likes to play. She likes to come out and play. I'm like a cat. I love to hide. Right? Her friends come over. They're like comfortable. Right? I like people at the house, but like her friends stay long. Like my friends, my friends after the game they're gone. Hers, they're like, oh, I'll just sleep here. No. Her friends like open the refrigerator. I'm sorry, I didn't grow up that way. You don't open anybody else's refrigerator, right? The refrigerator in the master bedroom, you don't look at. You ever get a tour of somebody's house and this is the master and you're like, oh, okay. You don't go in there and go, oh, this is where you fuck? You fuck here? Right here? No. You just skip it and you move on to the baby's room. No, a friend came over the other night. She goes in there, starts shopping like it's Jewel, right? Took out a bowl of cherries, beautiful cherries. I just bought them, right? I didn't even get to taste them. What I like to do is I like to take out the cherries, put them in a separate bowl, give a nice wash, and slip those in the refrigerator, right? This one takes out the cherries. She's eating the cherries, and she's talking to me and my wife. Now, it's all over my face. I can't hide it, right? I'm sitting there, I gotta go to the bathroom. Now I go hide. I go like a cat, I go somewhere else. My wife has to come get me. She's like, why? Would you come out here? I go, she's eating the cherries. How does she know I'm not making a cherry pie with that? But that's why I fell in love with my wife. Totally different. I'll come home and the pizza delivery guy will be in the house while my wife goes to our secret stash and pays him. I go, why is the delivery guy in our kitchen? I didn't grow up with delivery people. I was the delivery person.
No. This is too short. I'm not happy about this. This is not the whole joke. 3 minutes. No. Now I have to go. Where will I find the rest of it? Oh my God, you guys. Oh my goodness. I'm not that. I'm his wife. Like, I feel if I can let you into my home and you're not working, you're not there for a job, if you're a friend, mikasa sukasa, like, just go through my house. It's fine. I don't mind. That's why I don't let people into my home unless I trust you, unless I don't really open up like that. I have to know you well, if you understand what I mean. So if you don't trust this person to be in your fridge, don't bring them into your home. Keep it simple. That's me. But I understand how he might be some kind of way when someone comes into your house first time. They shouldn't be going through your fridge. But friends are friends. Like, my girl comes over to my house. Listen, get a drink, help yourself, feed yourself, cook something if you want. That's the way we are. That's the Nigerian way. Like, I wouldn't go over to my friend's house and like put her, if she's busy, I'm busy helping her out. If she's cooking something, I'm eating what she's cooking. I'm going through her fridge, she's going through mine. It's a whole family, but it's only for people I call friends, and I don't have a large group. You know what I mean? So that's my take on it. Tell me your take on it. Do you allow your friends go through your fridge? And what you think about his skit? Subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell. Let me know in the comments section what you feel about this skit. If you've got any requests, please go to my website and have it made. Thank you. On to the next one. I'm your girl, Sincerely KSO.